First spot, Sam's Point Overlook.
Which way are we going?
This way. First one's on the trail. It's all fresh. How's it feel coming up this? How you feeling?
Nice and light.
It's not too bad, right? Here. Come to me. Come to me. Okay, you know what?
Take his hand.
Thank you. Oh. All right, here's the trail. This is the ridge right here. We're gonna be on top of that. But first, we're gonna take this right here to get up, because the normal way just isn't that fun. Right, Ty?
Yeah.
How's it looking? All right, I'm just gonna go with my camera out.
You ready to catch it?
I'm gonna catch you, bro. I'm grabbing onto these vines. Trying to follow Ty through here. Okay, he's on a bad spot here. Here's Damon. And here's Ty. Oh, what the f are you doing in here?
Chilling.
I'm heading up. These don't look pretty good. My one foot is slipping out, but tuck it in. Okay. And we're heading up the side. Right, just kicking in. Getting a good traction. And I'm gonna keep on the side here. Looks like the best spot. Got the tree for grip. Okay. I'm gonna wait for my guys. Windy here, huh? Let me know which way is the best. It's a cave?
Yeah.
That's where I used to live. Right in there. And there's Ty. Throwing him up. Sometimes you just got to go this way. It's way better. More fun. I mean, this was exciting. Really started off the hike good. Might do the old camera pass to you. But I honestly don't think we'll be able to get close. You guys gotta be careful and slip off. It's nice though. Super windy. Ty got to put his cleats on. Here's the view you guys are looking for. Ty's gonna get nice and close to the edge here. I'm gonna try to follow him out with nothing. This is all this layer of ice. We're gonna head to the ice caves. So, we're here right now. I mean, we've been on this road for like 10 minutes. Here comes this fat ass cloud. But hopefully there's no rain. Either way. We ain't stopping. Ice caves. I mean, the ice caves are always closed in the winter. I mean, obviously they get so iced over. We on the back way and we're gonna check it out. And then we're going to Waterfall Falls. It's a huge waterfall, so we're gonna hit that after. You ready? Nice, nice. Oh!
Look at that. Look at that. See that?
Looks nice. That's where we're gonna be. On that ridge eventually. We're heading down to the ice caves. The trail was closed, so we're gonna try to get on the backside. See how far we can get in realistically without dying. Pass on through, boys. no fucking joke. I think it's closed, honestly. Yeah. Yep. It's closed off. As you can see, look. It's got a nice gate there. It's too iced up anyways. We wouldn't even be able to get through. I'm just chilling on this ladder for now. Alright, we're gonna head back to the falls.
Alright, I practiced my whole life.
Right? In the frozen tundra. There he is. We're going. Here's the witch tree. This was like a devil like worshipping thing. I go touch it. Whoa, that was weird. Yeah, last time this shit was so overflowing we couldn't even get through. So this is dope. He thinks this is the waterfall.
What an idiot.
Yeah, bro, this ain't the waterfall. That's it.
Sonny, careful! Sonny! Don't fuck around, bro. Sonny, I ain't climbing down that thing. Holy tank, brother. Really? You laughing at me now?